Another transitional escape here, we're doing a knee elbow, but from head arm side mount. Okay, so he's got his arm under my head and then an arm under my arm. His hands are together, okay? Go ahead and put your hands together like a gable grip. Good. This is not good for me. Bad spot to be in. So I need to time, right? So a lot of times people stall here, but they will also transition to mount from here. We're just gonna cover it when he slides his knee across. And because of this hand configuration is to the elbow on the other side, I have different transitions, different follow-ups, right? I'll take the back a lot of times when the elbow's on the other side. Here, when he slides across and I do the knee elbow, go ahead and slide across, right? I'm digging that under. He still has the arm around my head, okay? So as I recover here, I'm transitioning through a half guard, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create space and throw my foot on the hip and leg up here on the far side by his ear, okay? And this is like a Vale Tudo guard or a high guard, all right? So go ahead and try and posture up here, Micah. I wanna point that knee to the mat when he does that, okay? Now here, I can just go to a basic double wrist control. You got the straight arm lock. You can wrap, Kimura, okay? Controlling the posture here. You wanna be close enough, you can also strike, okay? So you got a nice little interplay there. Here on the Kimura, you can also transition over, taking the omoplata. Distend his arm away as you go to sit up and apply pressure on the finish, okay? So here, right, I'm already in my base under his mount, under his side control. He's transitioning with the knee sliding across. I'm already in the elbow escaping here. Again, foot in the hip, foot here. If he starts trying to posture, keep your knee engaged. I'm not just gonna have it up. He can posture. Tilt it, pinch, right? So I've got a nice wedge formed around his arms. Here, you got that straight arm lock. Here, Kimura, transition over to the omoplata. And if at any point during this, he takes that far hand and post, tries to posture up really big, I push his hand out here and transition to my triangle. Okay, so got a lot of really good attacks with that Vale Tudo guard. Love that style of high guard. Anytime I can escape a side control or a mount and go to there, got great options you can toggle onto. So Vale Tudo guard, check it out.